this hose from here. See in there, that shit's dirty as hell. We're removing all of the caps off. The fuel injectors. As you can see. I'm gonna go back over here to this side. Matter of fact, let's take these screws off real quick. All right, so we got 8 fuel injectors out of there. So now we need to work on getting 8 spark plugs removed from out of here. See, we got the fuel line removed. On this side, it was coming a little bit easier. Got the fuel line removed. Now, let's see how we can get these spark plugs out of here. Oh, we need a... Alright, so found something to get these screws out. It should come right out now. Okay. Alright, that's just the hose. Let me unplug this. Alright, so this is the spark plug hose. And I don't know if you can see down in there. Yeah, and there's the spark plug. We gotta get that bad boy out. So we gotta get 8 of these out, 8 spark plugs out. I'm gonna number each one as I take them out.